Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time stopping by to watch any of my videos, you're welcome. My name is Ikia of Headmistress. I'm a beauty artist and a photographer based in Ghana, West Africa. And if you already subscribed to this channel, well, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. It means a lot to me. Well, before I get into today's video, I just want to say a happy new year to all of you subscribers. Just wish that this year brings us lots of opportunities and lots of possibilities, good health, wealth, and then the most important thing is the grace of God. So let's just dive into today's video. Okay, so today's video is going to be on how to style your braids, being it box braids or Senegalese twist. So before I get into the styling bit, I just want to show you a few items I use to maintain my braids. So let me just show it to you. So the very first product is this hair gel. This is the Eco Styler hair gel. It's very, accessible. It's available anywhere on the Ghanaian market, so you can find this. It's very good. It has a very strong hold, especially for people with natural hair. It holds the edges in place for a very long time. So yes, this is the Eco Styler gel. The next product I use on my hair is this olive oil hair polish. And then what I use this product to do is I just take a tiny bit of it and I just brush it through my hair to give it a little bit of shine, not too much, just a little bit of shine. And this thing is also very affordable and it's available on the Ghanaian market as well. The next product on my list is a toothbrush. Okay, so this toothbrush, I bought this toothbrush specifically for my edges, but you can use an old toothbrush. It doesn't matter, so far as it's clean, you can use it for your edges. And this is what I use to lay down my edges. I'm not really a fan of baby hair, but if I have to, I use my Eco Styler gel and then I use my toothbrush. And then you also need any sort of hairbrush, because for instance, my hair is natural, and then with natural hair, as time goes on, the natural hair tends to pop out of your braids, and we don't want that. So what we do is that we brush the hair and then scarf it. After laying your edges, you want your hair to lay down throughout the day. So what you do is, after laying your edges and then combing it with a toothbrush, you scarf your hair, you scarf your edges for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then yes, your hair can lay down all day long. So that is just what I wanted to say before we hop into today's video. So let's get into the styling bit. This is the end of today's video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Let me know when you guys can create it, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.